Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Gumroad with WooCommerce using Zapier step by step in 2026. This tutorial is perfect if you sell digital products on Gumroad, you run WooCommerce website, you want orders, customers, or data synced automatically, you want to avoid manual work. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how Gumroad and WooCommerce can work together. Why did I mention Zapier? what Zapier does in the middle, and how to build a clean, reliable automation, even as a beginner. So let's start with the basics. Now, an important clarification here. Gumroad does not natively integrate with WooCommerce directly. That's why I mentioned Zapier. That's why we're going to use it today. Zapier acts as a bridge. Gumroad is where the sales happen. Zapier is where automation connects. WooCommerce is where the data is sent. So the flow looks like this. Customer buys on Gumroad, Zapier triggers, actions happen in WooCommerce. No coding required, not a complicated thing. Now, before setting anything up, let's see what's possible. You can use this integration to create WooCommerce orders when a Gumroad sale happens, add customers to WooCommerce automatically, trigger membership or digital access, or sync sales data, trigger emails or follow-ups. Most people use this to keep WooCommerce as the main system while Gumroad handles payments. Now, what you need, make sure you have a Gumroad account with at least one product, a WooCommerce store already set up, a Zapier account, free works for testing, admin access to WordPress. Once these are ready, we can start. Now, let's build an automation. Go to Zapier and click create a zap. So hit create here, create zaps. Inside, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just create a trigger here. So hit the trigger. You can see inside, you're gonna select the top apps. I'm gonna select here Gumroad, right? Now, as you can see, I already connected my account, but instead of this Gumroad logo, you're gonna be able to sign in and use your Gumroad account as a bridge between you and or between your account in Zapier, eventually leading to WooCommerce. Okay. Now, Zapier works with triggers, which means what starts the automation, actions, what happens next. We'll start with Gumroad as they trigger. Right. So we're gonna create an event which is a new sale or sale. Okay. Hit continue and choose your product. All right. Every time someone buys on Gumroad, the zap will fire. So hit continue here and test your trigger. All right. If you don't have a sale, that's gonna be an awkward moment, but you can skip test if you don't have a sale yet. Okay, and continue just triggering the action. Now, once you connect your Gumroad account to Zapier, Zapier will now ask you like to connect Gumroad and everything. You need to Gumroad access token. You can get this from Gumroad dashboard, settings, advanced or API section. Paste the token into Zapier and connect the account. And once connected, just continue. You don't need to do this step because you already set up or connected your Zapier account using a window, basically using your account. Now we're testing obviously the product, right? Zapier will now fetch a sample sale. If you already have sales, as I mentioned, Zapier will pull recent data. If not, just make a test purchase on Gumroad. Now, choose WooCommerce as the action app. Now we define what happens next here, right? So I think there is a problem. I hope so. No. Okay. Now we're gonna define the action, right? Or what happens next. For the action app, search for WooCommerce. Commerce. Here. Yeah. And then what we're gonna do, select create order in the action event. Create order. This is the most common and useful action. So connect right here, as we mentioned before. Do the same thing with Gumroad here also on WooCommerce. So sign in, right? And then allow Zapier to access your WooCommerce account. Enter your WordPress site address and the WordPress username and WordPress application password. This is necessary. And then hit yes, continue to WooCommerce, right? And you need also, customer key, a consumer secret, WooCommerce store URL or WordPress. You can create new key with read or write permissions, copy and paste the credentials into Zapier. And if you have that already, just continue and set everything up. Okay. Now mapping Gumroad data to WooCommerce order fields. This is the most important step. Zapier will now ask how to fill the WooCommerce order. You will map customer email, customer name, product name, line item, price, total, currency, and currency. Take your time here. If a field is wrong, orders will look incorrect. Fortunately for me, I cannot proceed after this because I don't have a WooCommerce or WordPress, official URL in basically a presence there. But if you do, just follow what I say. Okay. Now, since Gumroad usually sells digital products, make sure no shipping is required, no physical fulfillment is triggered, product type matches digital and downloadable. You can also assign a placeholder product in WooCommerce or dynamically pass product names. Both methods work. And then test the WooCommerce action. Before turning the Zap on, test the action button. Okay? Before you publish it, you just test run here. Take it for a test run. Zapier will attempt to create a real order in WooCommerce. And then go to WordPress WooCommerce orders. If you see the test order, integration is working. If not, check field mappings, check API permissions. Right? And then turn the Zap on. Once everything looks good, publish and turn the Zap on. From now on, every Gumroad sale automatically appears in WooCommerce. No manual work needed. All right. Now, common use cases for this integration. Gumroad handles checkout and payments. WooCommerce handles access control, memberships, analytics, email automations. It's especially useful if you already run a WooCommerce ecosystem. You want Gumroad's simple checkout, right? So avoid not testing the real data, mapping the wrong currency, forgetting API permissions, creating duplicate orders, or leaving the Zap off. Always test before relying on automation, right? Zapier pricing and limitations. Zapier free plan is limited to tasks per month, single step zaps. If you scale, you may need a paid plan. So start free, upgrade only if the automation proves useful. So integrating Gumroad with WooCommerce using Zapier in 2026 is powerful, beginner friendly, no code, scalable, hands off. You get Gumroad simplicity, WooCommerce flexibility, and Zapier's automation. This setup saves time, reduces errors, and lets you focus on selling, not managing orders. If this complete guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below which topic you want me to cover next. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.